doing a little experiment. You guys just watched a video, and I'm gonna play that video again, but this time I'm gonna play the video in slow motion, and I'm gonna narrate the video and see what's going on. Let's go. Now, let me give you guys some pretext. This is a busy main road in front of a barbecue shop that sells barbecue chicken, pork, whatever, but it is a food store. So I want you guys to take a look at this, and I'm gonna go through it with y'all. Now take a look at this video. There's a guy walking up in the white and grey jeans, and see there's a man standing there. Now watch this. See, he grabbed the man and pulled out a gun from his right hand in his pocket. See the gun hanging out, and see he's pulling the man and pulling the man back in the back, dog, and robbing the man on a busy street at a barbecue outlet. You believe that? Now, in this video right here that I'm doing, I'm gonna show you guys couple crime what happened in Trinidad, and I just want to show how dangerous and how wicked Trinidad is. And I know a lot of people is gonna talk about this, but Trinidad is a dangerous little place, you know, and they don't get red flag like how other countries get red flag. And I am trying to wrap my head around it, you know, to try and understand, but the level of stuff going on in Trinidad, it's mind-boggling in terms of the hustling and in terms of murder and certain things. Jamaica have more murder, and Jamaica have more people, and obviously Jamaicans, them dangerous. But Trinidad, there is a unique badness with the man them have, and a unique craziness, and may I try to understand it. Look at it. Trinidad is a deadly place. Now you have two youth on the left side of the screen. They are chilling and listening to some music, and then they kick back, you know, and then they are chill and watch this car come up now, boom, and you see some man run out. The youth in the white, him have a white hat on him head and a white shirt, short, and a him like a him at the shutter, and you see him run down the man them, blow some shot. You understand? Now listen, look how calm these guys are. They're not even worrying and panicking, and then them just cruise out. Now that is what Trinidad is all about. Cause people hear me talk about Trinidad, you know, and them think a joke me I make. Now you see, Trinidad is one of the most dangerous place right now in the Caribbean, and a lot of people may not know that, but me know that. We all see the killing with the 6 gang, but beyond that, you see, Trinidadians, they don't let other people in to their thing, and the only way you're gonna get let in, unless you is like big time dope dealer from Venezuela or some big time Jamaican artist or whatever. They do have a little bit of respect for the Jamaican artists them. You see what I'm saying? But I don't know for the Jamaicans them will live at Trinidad if them respect them. But Trinidad is very unique. And when I say unique, I I mean, unique in the sense where Jamaica have assault order, even though we have more murder and Jamaicans might be cantankerous and loud and shit, we still have an order. You see what I'm saying? We're not just gonna run out on the corner because them boy they out the sun, them a play 6 music and we are 7 down your son, we are gonna kill them. No. It doesn't work like that. And I hate to say this about the violence. The war, it take me a long time to say it, but the violence in Jamaica, a lot of it is targeted, and I hate saying this, warranted, because you have scammers warring against each other. You have other sort of thing go on with man and man. But in Trinidad, and I need you guys to understand this, you see, in Trinidad, the man them don't have to be warring with each other, you know. If you live down at that area and say you play some 6 music, a man just assume and come down there and spray, you know. I mean, we saw that the other day when we hear Alexander tell Prezi, listen, tell your gang member them to chill out because they're killing innocent people. So the man them come down in the 6th territory, down by where the police station is. The name is on the top of my tongue, but the police station where the youth get shot round that area, where Bubbly get shot, I just remember it, over by St. Paul. Because remember them say, 6 Dan, him sit down across from the police station, you know. I sell weed and drugs all day and sit down in a cold chain. So 6 Dan is around that area. The police station is in St. Paul, and that's where the 7th President crew target. So I'm just showing you how Trinidad is, because remember now, even the violence in president thing, and I hate saying this because I don't want to trivialize this thing. The man them start war over fuckery, and then with the fuckery man dead, and then once man dead, then you want a next man dead. And the thing with when you're in the streets, and I'ma say it like this. You see, when you do crime or you do things against the law and you do it and you don't get catch, what that does, it boosts someone's ego. Believe me, I know. So if you shoot a man and you don't get catch, or you kill a man and him not get catch, you know how exhilarating that is? That send dopamine to your brain, you know. I know you think you're the baddest thing. Just like if you pull a robbery and you don't get catch, that make you feel like you're Superman. And another thing about crime, you see, when people do crime and they don't get catch, and then they see it on the news and in the newspaper, it make you feel like you're a star. Believe me, I know what I'm talking about. Now, with that said,
I ain't fucking, you know, watch, bye, watch, like phone and thing in the car.
now, you know what you're just watching? They tried to kill that young man drive him down, and blow some shot in a car. That's how the man them operate at Trinidad. Them do better intelligence than the police. Now, may I show you when the car crash. Take a look at this. See the man them there, run out of them car, cause some man target them, and them have to run. Now, like me said, the video when me show the clip of the youth that who them a target, and see the man have to run out of the car. Now, with that said, you understand, me just want show the kind of crime and violence that's going on in the rich island of Trinidad and Tobago. The place definitely need a purge. It need a purge, but like me said, Trinidad is a unique place. Them have some unique crime, some unique violence, and another thing that I'm gonna say, Trinidad is a rich country, one of the richest, if not, I think the richest in the Caribbean, Guyana, South America, Caribbean, so Trinidad and Guyana, no. So, yeah, with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm just trying to show the kind of violence that's going on in Trinidad and in the Caribbean, and try and bring a different perspective. But long story short, Trinidad needs a purge. If they don't get that, that country is gonna implode. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. And remember, more videos coming up. Okay, so stay tuned.